Well, hello YouTube world. So today we're going to cover the sound dampening kit and see what difference it makes. So I didn't go through the whole installation process because you can find videos of that just about everywhere on YouTube. So I'm going to show exactly where I installed it and then give a good idea of whether or not it really made a huge difference sound-wise. So let's go and check it out. So I installed the sound dampening kit right here. As you can see, I went all the way around here, all the way through the doors, and then all the way on the inside here as well, and did the same thing here on the rear door. So the strip that you see here is on the outside, right? The inside strip, so this strip is actually what comes from the factory. This is a sound dampening kit, all right? So same thing here, went all the way around. And wanted to see what difference it made. So what I did is I went and used a dB meter to see what the difference was before and after.
Okay, so this is before, and what we decided to do is obviously I took the exact same road, and the time difference was only about an hour for me to install everything. And as you can see, we're going to see the maximum dB right now is right at 69.7. I think this is the maximum that it ever reached. So 69.7 dB, that's before anything. That's going at the exact same speed, which was right at 60 miles an hour. And now we're gonna try and go and check out what it sounds like after the sound dampening kit has been installed. So here it is after the sound dampening kit has been installed. And as you can see, the maximum dB is going to reach right at 69.3 as opposed to 69.7. This is at highway speed, right? So it's really only 0.4 dB difference. So really negligible. So does this really work as a sound dampening kit? No, not really. But what it does do is it does make the doors close a lot better. It's a lot tighter seal. It stops the water from going on your door sills as well, which is really, really nice. And again, that feeling, that tightness of the doors does make it worth it to me. But as far as sound dampening, it really does nothing. So once again, if you like the video, please press like and click on the button here on the upper right hand to subscribe to my videos. If you want to see more, click on the bottom here on the bottom right. And as we'll be doing a lot more reviews and tips and tricks in the future. And as always, I appreciate you watching the videos. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.